Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a lovely sago pudding. This is my sago, which is 250 gram, but I'm going to measure up a cup. The sago has no flavor, but it's left entirely on you to put in most of the flavors in. So today my flavor ingredients are going to be a teaspoon of vanilla essence, a cinnamon stick, and 4 whole elaichi. I'm going to use a can of coconut milk for great flavor. I'm going to use half a can of condensed milk, which also will make it very creamy, and also it's going to make it sweet. We will add sugar if needed, but it's optional. For garnishing, I'm going to use a teaspoon of ghee that are homemade to fry out my quarter cup of sultanas, which I'm going to add on the top of my pudding. Or you can choose any type of fruits, either it be dry or fresh, or any type of nuts. If my sago pudding tends to be a little thick, I'm going to just add in a little bit of fresh milk to it. To start off, I am going to measure a cup of sago. So this is 200 gram of my packet. I'm going to just add it to my bowl. My first cup of water, I will add in and give this a rinse, and I will drain off this water and get back. This is my second cup of cold water. I'm going to add in to the bowl. I will cover this and allow it to sit for about half an hour. We will get back to you within half an hour. It's about an hour that has passed, and as you can see, my sago has doubled the size. I'm going to add my sago into my pot. And thereafter, I'm going to pour in my coconut milk. To rinse out this can, I will use a little bit of milk. And add it into the pot. I'm going to put in my elaichi and my cinnamon. And now I am going to switch my stove on. I've got my stove on medium heat, and I am going to keep stirring so this mustn't get lumpy or catch to the bottom. We will allow this to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. While my sago is going to come to a boil, I am going to quickly fry out my sultans with the ghee. My frying pan is heated up on the side. Just drop in my ghee and put in my sultans for a very quick fry. How you know when it's fried? When the sultanas plump up. My sultans are done. There you can see how nice and plumped up they are. So I'll leave this to rest. In the meantime, my sago has soaked up a lot of the liquids, so I'm just going to add in a cup of milk. I'm going to add in my milk and give this a nice stir. We are going to cook this until the sago is see-through. 15 minutes has passed and I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And I give this a nice mix. It's getting nice and thick. And gradually I'm going to pour in my tin milk. So this is half the can of tin milk. I'll quickly put the milk to a cup and get back. Working on very low heat, my sago pudding is now done. You can see it looks so beautiful, thick and creamy. And on the top, I'm just going to garnish with my ghee and my sultanas. Give this a mix. Now you can see the ghee added most of the richness to it. I'm going to switch my stove off. Now I'm ready to serve. Here's your rich and creamy sago pudding. This can be a sweet treat served at any occasions, or you can serve it as dessert, or you can add some fresh fruit to it and even serve it for a good, nice breakfast. It's very quick to make. You can also have this while it's hot or even while it's cool. I hope you'll give this a try. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.